a black-footed cat. This little female is known to researchers as Gyra. She's tiny, weighing not much more than a kilo. She'd be almost impossible to find, but she's being tracked with a radio collar, guided by superb night vision and responding to the tiniest sounds. Anything that moves is a potential meal, but she prefers gerbils. Or if that doesn't work, birds. With a wiggle to tuck her legs in, she gets as low to the ground as possible, primed like a spring to jump. She hits her target 60% of the time. And the reason for Gyra's huge appetite is that she's raising her own little hunter. Even the deadliest cat in Africa can have a softer side.